How to duck an hardtail tree. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily duck. So first of all, open the application. Now as you can see, I'm already inside the game. So in order to have or use this duck option, here on the left you can see this duck icon. Simply tap on this duck icon and as you can see, it has been ducked or crouched. Now we can move forward or go to different places. So basically there are different obstacles that you must go on in this game. So you must use the stop option in order to go or pass through them. Now we can again tap on it to stand up and again tap on it to duck. So you can use it time and again. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.